Taking a bath should be a soothing and enjoyable experience. Let's explore ways to make it safer and more comfortable for you. Preparation is key. Gather everything you need, such as a sponge, shower gel, and towels, and keep them within easy reach to avoid overextending or bending unnecessarily. Choose the right time. Timing can make a big difference. Plan your bath for when you feel most comfortable. This might be after your pain medication has taken effect or when you're less stiff from arthritis. Timing it around your energy levels can also make the experience more enjoyable. Staying hydrated before stepping into a warm bath can also help. Always have a plan in case something goes wrong. Keep a mobile phone within easy reach or wear a pendant alarm so you can call for help if needed. Let someone know you're taking a bath or consider bathing when someone else is home. Monitor water safety. If you find it hard to judge the water temperature, use a bath thermometer or a color-changing gadget to ensure that it's safe. Stay nearby while the tub fills to prevent overflows or accidents. Keep things organized. Having a routine can help you feel more at ease. Designate spots for your essentials like glasses, hearing aids, or shower caps so you always know where to find them. Prevent slips and falls. A clean bath is a safer bath. Regularly wash the surface with something effective at moving grease, like washing up liquid, to prevent slippery residue from bath products. If your bath doesn't have a slip-resistant surface, use a secure bath mat with good grip. Wet the mat slightly to help it stick to the tub. Place a non-slip mat outside the bath for added stability when stepping out. If getting in and out of the bath is challenging, consult an occupational therapist. They can recommend aids like grab rails, bath seats, or devices that lower and raise you in the water. Leaving the water in the tub while getting up can also help, as buoyancy makes it easier to rise. Dry off comfortably. A toweling robe can simplify drying off, especially if you're feeling tired. It's a cozy and effortless alternative to using a towel. Make taps easier to use. If turning taps is difficult, use a flannel for extra grip or install tap turners or lever-style taps. Avoid pulling on the taps for support, as this could lead to accidents. By combining these tips, you can create a safer and more enjoyable bathing experience. Take your time, relax, and remember, your safety always comes first.